Everyone, my name is Sanya Mahajan. I'm a legal intern at Lexis Company, and today's topic of mine is upon the divorce, which is as per the Hindu Marriage Act. Basically, every person in India needs a reason in order to get separate from his life partner, and thus for that, the basic reasons which are mentioned in the Hindu Marriage Act for a divorce are as under. Firstly, there is the adultery, when the concept of adultery may not be considered as an offense in any countries, but as per the Hindu Marriage Act, in the matrimonial offense, and adultery is considered as one of the most important ground for seeking a divorce. And the adultery means the consensual and the voluntary intercourse between the married person and the other person, married and or which is married or the unmarried one, who is of the opposite sex. Even the intercourse between the husband and his second wife, that is if there is a marriage, is considered as under bigamy, the person is liable for the adultery. And essentials for the adultery are one of the spouses involved in the intercourse with the other person, who may be married or the unmarried person. Then the intercourse should be voluntary and consensual, and at the time of the act, the marriage was subsisting, means which was he is considered to be as a married person, and there must be a sufficient circumstantial evidence to prove the liability of the other spouse. And another ground of divorce is the cruelty. The concept of cruelty includes mental as well the physical cruelty, and the physical cruelty means when one spouse beats or causes a badly injury to the other spouse. As the mental cruelty is concerned, the spouse can also be mentally tortured by the other spouse, and mentally cruelty is a lack of kindness which adversely affects the health of the person. And well, it is easy to determine the nature of the physical cruelty but difficult to say about the mental cruelty. And thus for that, divorce can be taken by any of the spouse, that is the husband or the wife. Whereas the what considered as the mental cruelty against the wife is by husband, that is the fault accusation of adultery, the demand of dowry, then the impotency of the husband, then forced to adopt a child, then husband having affair with the new person, the husband lives in an immoral life, aggressive and uncontrollable. The ground of divorce is the desertion. Desertion means the permanent abandonment of one of the spouse from the other spouse without any reasonable justification and without his consent, and in general the rejection of the obligation of the marriage by one party. And here is the essentials of the desertion. Firstly, permanent abandonment of the other spouse, rejection of the obligation of the marriage without any reasonable justification, and no consent of the other person. Then there is the conversion, which is another ground of divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act. If one of the spouse converts his religion to any other religion without the consent of the other spouse, then the other spouse can approach to the court and seek the remedy of divorce. Ground of divorce is the insanity. Insanity means when the person is of unsound mind. In insanity as a ground of divorce are required following two conditions, that is firstly the respondent has been incurably of the unsound mind, and the respondent has been suffering from continuously and intermediately for the mental disorder of a such kind, and to such an extent that the petitioner cannot be reasonably expected to live with that respondent. There are furthermore grounds of divorce under the Hindu Marriage Act, that is the leprosy, then the venerable disease if a spouse has, or any renunciation, which means that the spouse decides to renunciate the world and walk on the path of God. And whereas the other ground of concept of divorce is concerned is the presumption of death, where the family does not know his whereabouts of the spouse, Guys, if you need any information related to it, please do write in the comment section, and please do subscribe the channel Access.